Hello and welcome to another Flux tutorial. Today, we'll show you how to build and customize a PCB using Flux and SEEED Studio. SEEED's organization in Flux is packed with resources to simplify your design process, including templates, components, and ready-made projects. Plus, you can take advantage of SEEED's campaign to get your Flux design boards manufactured for free. Let's take a closer look at what you'll find on SEEED's organization. SEEED has created detailed components for the most popular boards, like the Xiao series. These aren't just schematic symbols, they're comprehensive parts that simplify your design process. First, these parts include 3D models of the Xiao boards, so you can see how your final PCB will look like when assembled. They also come with an accurate footprint pre-configured for Flux layout tools, ensuring your board designs align perfectly with its manufacturing standards. Whether you're designing an accessory or integrating a Xiao into a larger system, these models can be dragged and dropped into a project directly from the Flux library, saving you quite a bit of time. Templates are another powerful resource SEEED offers in Flux. These aren't just blank canvases, they're complete starting points that incorporate SEEED's manufacturing requirements. For example, they come pre-configured with details like minimum trace widths, spacing, and layer stacks. This ensures your design is ready to manufacture, no extra tweaks or adjustments. Templates are perfect if you're designing something from scratch, but want to skip this tedious step. Finally, there are ready-made projects. These are complete, functional designs created by SEEED and the Flux community. Unlike templates, ready-made projects are finished PCBs that you can use right away. For example, this RGB LED driver project is a fully configured design that integrates smart LED control with SEEED's Xiao ESP32S3 board. Ready-made projects are great if you want a head start on a working design. You can modify the schematics, swap components, or add new functionality, all while keeping the core design intact. It's a powerful way to build improving designs without starting from zero. SEEED also has an ongoing campaign where you can get 2 PCBA boards manufactured for free if you use a Xiao board to create an LED-based design. For this tutorial, we customized this RGB LED driver project and make our own version using Flux. To get started, simply click on Clone to copy the project to your workspace. Now, let's customize this design. We're going to add a motion sensor to turn on the LEDs when motion is detected, a light sensor to control the intensity of those LEDs depending on how dark it is outside. Flux's library contains thousands of parts ready to be used, but finding the right one might be overwhelming. Fortunately, we can ask Copilot, Flux's AI assistant, for part recommendations. We can then search Copilot's suggested parts in the library and add them to our design. You now need to connect those parts to the rest of the components. We have skipped this step in this tutorial, but if you're unsure on how to connect them, you can also ask Copilot, and by clicking on the Take Action button, Copilot can wire those components for you. Now that our schematic is complete, let's move on to the layout. To accommodate the newly added parts, we'll need to increase the size of the layout and spend a few minutes placing the components in the right positions. If you'd like guidance on how to approach proper part placement, check out the tutorial linked in the description below. Once your components are placed, you can use Flux's AI Auto Layout tool to handle the routing for you. This tool automatically routes the connections between the components, saving you hours of manual effort. Simply click Run Auto Lay and the AI will create a fully routed design with no additional configuration required. During the optimization process, you'll see multiple iterations being generated. These represent progressively optimized versions of your board's routing. The process will stop automatically once the AI reaches an optimized design. At that point, you can review all the iterations to select the one you prefer. Keep in mind that the later iterations are generally more optimized than the earlier ones. Once you've chosen the iteration that best suits your needs, click on the Apply button to finalize the changes. You now have a complete design that's ready for manufacturing. Simply export the Gerber files and head over to SEEED's Fusion service to get your board produced. If you'd like a more detailed guide, we've linked a full tutorial on going from design to manufacture PCB in the description. Now it's your turn. Clone a project, customize it, and submit your design to SEEED to get your boards manufactured for free. See you in the next one.